Hey everyone, I just want to post a quick video and show you instructions on how to sign up for the First Form Transformation Challenge that One More Rep is hosting. We hope all of you get on board. The challenge is free. You get a ton of stuff for free by signing up for this challenge. It's 8 weeks long, starts January 22nd. On our Facebook page, we have posted the link to sign up for this challenge. My recommendation is to copy and paste the email address in that link so that you are able to add us as the trainer in that challenge. Click on the link in our post. It will redirect you to the First Form Transformation site. Scroll towards the bottom. You'll have the option to purchase a stack if you wish. It's the only time that First Form discounts products. So if you're interested in trying some products, this would be the time to get those. Otherwise, go ahead, click on monthly access only. It's free. Start here. It's going to add it to your cart, which is just their way of keeping track of who's entering the challenge. Click on View Cart and check out. And then it's going to, for a limited time, going to supplement you with a free supplemental ebook. Go ahead, add that to your cart. It's free. Proceed to checkout. At the bottom here, you're going to have to fill in some information. It's going to ask you for billing address. They just need your name, email address, and phone number. You're not going to get a bill for anything. And then click on Send My Products. You're then going to get an email. Son of a... Then eventually you'll get back into your email because, you know, we never remember our passwords. So you'll get an email, Transformer registration notice. It's going to give you the link to log in. Your username will be your email address, and then it will give you a temporary password. Go ahead, click that link. Paste that password in there. You're going to enter your information to get registered. Then you're going to select some goals. What is your goal? What do you consider your training level? What are you most likely to do when it comes to diet? Count your calories, measure and weigh your food, or watch what I eat? How active are you throughout the day? Answer the next set of questions. And then get started. This will take you to your dashboard. Here, you will have access to our private Facebook group. Once you're registered, you're entered into the elite training group for free. We have extra workouts in there, extra motivation. Excellent group of people in that group. It's going to give you a meal plan. You can click on that plan. It will download, and it'll give you a sample meal plan. It's going to give you your macros, how many calories you should be eating today or each day, with the number of carbs, protein, and fat. It's also going to give you a daily workout. If you're a part of the One More Rep Challenge group, you have workouts. You can supplement or do this workout instead. What you need to do to completely get registered in this challenge is upload your photos. Underneath My Transformation, you're going to have a contest card. Click on that. Download it, print it, have it on your phone. You need that in every photo. What's going to happen is you need to take your beginning photos, front, side, and back. Upload them to the First Form photos, and then you have the option to add a video of why you're joining the challenge. You don't have to do that. And then you have an essay button where you can enter why you are joining the challenge. That's not required also. You do have to upload your images front, side, and back with the contest card in order to be completely registered. You'll submit those. Then you'll go to the My Trainer tab. It should have you, if you went through the link on the Facebook page, it should automatically add you as the trainer. If not, if David's name does not show up here, go ahead and type that in, One More Rep Fitness LLC at gmail.com, invite, and then we will get you added through our side. If you have any questions, please, please, please reach out to us. We're here to help you. We want one of these winners to be from One More Rep. It's super exciting that we have the opportunity to offer this to you. Not every person has that ability, so please reach out to us and let us help you be one of those winners. Have a great day.